Tired of the background on Talkie AI and want to change? Today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. This will land on the discovered page. There is a certain background for the characters. To change it, tap on the profile of the character at the top. Tap on Gacha One Free Draw. If you tap on Gacha 1, you get one random background for free. To get 10 different backgrounds, you need to spend the amount of gems as mentioned. And that is how to change background on Talkie AI. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.